We have a Hulk.
That's my secret, Cap. I'm always angry.
Hulk! Smash!
I am Iron Man.
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Jarvis, a virtual artificial intelligence, and I'm here to assist you with a variety of tasks as best I can.
The question I get asked most often is, Tony, how do you go to the bathroom with a suit?
Guys, I'm bringing the party to you.
Battery power is running low. May I suggest you charge it soon?
Ouch!
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
I missed the part where that's my problem. I'm gonna put some dirt in your eye. My back! Does it start? I don't feel so good. Pizza time. My back! I just wanted to be like you.
And I wanted you to be better.
Because I'm Batman.
Let's go swimming!